Yo, why don't we probably have bad food in there?
Bad what?
Bad food.
It was working fine the other day.
Maybe 21.
Dude, I mean the new lever might be like pushing in the brake. You're gonna ride it back. It's not even gonna move. Give me this. It's gonna say we'll just, dude, just put it in a hole and we'll go grab the tools and come back.
Put it in a hole?
Yeah. Wonderful. I love it. Dude, put it in a hole and ride me back to the van. I'll grab the tools. He's going down.
There you go, we're good. Let's go. Don't touch it, Cody!
It's gonna fall over.
No, it's not. Let's go. Oh, maybe. He's leaning over, it's fuel injected.
Yeah, I know. I'll give you my key. Okay.
Oh my god.
What the frick?
Nice. Here's the 10. You're a squid. You should have never put on that front brake lever.
Well, dude, I would have had 0 brake levers if I didn't.
Doesn't matter.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
Oh, there's your problem. Oh, there's your fucking problem.
Dude, it said it goes onto this bike, though. I'll see you people eventually.
Right.
We'll get there when we get there. Ah! Oh, I can't. Never mind.
Why?
Because it broke around the thing.
No, not that, you squid muffin. Oh my god! What the fuck?
What'd you do?
Dude, it broke!
What do you mean it
I
broke?
was trying to bend it!
Well, you broke it. You didn't bend it.
Shit.
Fucking clown. So we're not having a front brake lever. I hate this. What are you doing? What? Yeah, right. Let's see it. Well, I guess I'll record his death. Do it. Oh. Jeez.
Done, boy!
First try.
Huh? I know, I need to splat this. That's throwing me off.
Wow, that was a good one. That one was mint. Oh! Oh.
Ah! Hit it again!
You almost had it.
He just goes a little faster.
Oh god. Oh.
Yo, it looks like he snapped his neck.
Woo!
He's probably gonna come over here and be like, that was nothing. I gotta hit it.
You do have to.
I have to hit it now.
Alright, well if he's sitting there, I should probably get a better view of when he eats shit. Oh, you alright? That was good. That was pretty solid. Beautiful execution. Dude, I got a perfect view of Ruben just bailing.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know why he let go. He probably would have made it.
He might have fallen off the back. The wheel was kind of. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's see if I can throw this hunk of shit around.
Go, baby.
Does not want to start ever. I need to do the valve so bad. Okay. Now I can make... Yeah, now I can make a fool out of myself. True. Oh boy. What the? I don't know where the track is. Yeesh. I need to like breathe. The fuck? Marco, you're too good for me. I don't know how you do it, but you're doing it. Yeesh. I am very much out of shape. Yeah, my bad. I blew that one out a little bit. Dude, I'm so not used to having no front brake.
Yeah.
It's like all I use. I love turns, but I suck at everything.